Hello, everyone. This is Veronica from TV Cruises, and we're going to give you a little overview of our room. So, to the right of me, you'll see the temperature controls here. They do work very well. I was freezing on this trip and had the temperature hiked up most of the time.
Yes, you did.
Here, you do have to put your actual cruise card in the light. You can't use any old card, it won't work. Here in our bathroom, standard cruise bathroom, shower, plenty of room to do what you need to do. Um, you have a little bit of shelving space. When we first got on, we couldn't find the trash can, but the trash can is actually inside of the cabinet on the bottom. You do have a full-size mirror to check out your outfit before you get dressed, especially for formal night. We were shocked. Our closets, there's three of us, was pretty cramped. We had to live out of our cubes most of the cruise, but we definitely made do. So we just basically planned a day or two outfits ahead of time. But just something to keep in mind, if you have more than two people, it will be tight. You do have a mini fridge, which stores quite a bit. You have a stool that you can sit on if you just wanted to sit here at this desk. Here, our son, Gavin, had the sofa bed converted into a bed. It's a nice size bed. You have a pretty standard size TV. This is a king size bed. It's two twins put together. You do have a light on each side of the bed, but one thing to note is you do not have outlets to charge your phone or tablet, so you'll have to make do with that. However, you do have two US outlets, and we did bring a European outlet so that we can have more plugging availability. You do have a nice balcony. This is our Aurea balcony. We're in 13145. It is raining right now, but very nice balcony. Two chairs and a tray table. And that's pretty much it for our room tour. See you on the next one.